Do you want to know how to create anime videos with AI? But without having to pay and learn thousands of tools, and with the quality of MSA channel who has over 22 million views, let's learn how to do this. But before, what if it were possible to create the same video using only one tool and in less than 5 minutes and with motion? In this video, I'll show you how to do it using just one AI tool, step by step. No fancy equipment, no team, just you and VideoTok. Yes, VideoTok is the only tool you will need to create your video script, AI images with or without movement, create your voiceover, and finally add all the effects and transitions automatically. Wait, what? Everything automatically? I don't need to learn how to do any of those things? Yes, automatically. VideoTok is a paid AI tool. But during the video, I will share with you a hack to get credits and use VideoTok for free. Another thing you will learn is how to use marks to stress words and add emotions to make the voiceover sound natural in your anime video. Because we all know that a video without a good voice is crap. The very first thing we need is an engaging script. This is a crucial part for videos. But how can I write my video scripts if I don't know how? Don't worry, here are some tips. The first thing to do is characterize the characters. Do you want to talk about a fighter, a magician, or a love story? Once you have decided, just specify these elements to VideoTok, and the tool will create your script by itself. In this video, I want to generate a reel of a girl who turns into a vampire. I will leave you in the description the prompt that I used to generate this video.
A middle-aged couple strolls hand in hand under a starry night sky. Their eyes meet, and they share a tender kiss. As they embrace, the woman's eyes begin to glow. Suddenly, she pulls away, revealing sharp fangs. The man gasps in shock as she transforms into a vampire before his eyes.
I have used images created by artificial intelligence by simply choosing the creation of images with artificial intelligence within the platform. Among the various options available on VideoTok, I have chosen the anime style. But I suggest you also try dark anime and comic art. If you plan to create videos that always start with the same hook and always end with the same call to action, you can create a personal brand. You just have to click on the personal brand button on the left and insert all the elements that characterize your videos. This way, you can select it, and VideoTok will always insert your distinctive traits into the video. Another thing to consider is that many people create anime videos for YouTube, and the problem is always the same. Creators always use the same voices, and they are flat voices, without emotions. VideoTok has been trained to recognize intonation and create more emotional voices, like human ones. As promised, I will teach you how to use punctuation marks to make your voiceover sound natural. The first thing to do is try to read the script in your head and add periods and commas where necessary. Once you have identified the pauses and intonations, add 2 exclamation points at the end of the sentence for emphasis and emotion. Add 2 question marks to make the AI increase the intonation at the end of the sentence. Add an ellipsis to indicate that it is a pause, as if it were a deep natural breath. Add or remove punctuation with commas and dots to add pauses. In any case, remember to avoid overuse of punctuation to prevent voice changes between sentences. Listen to this voice example without adding the tips I mentioned. This is an example voice without editing or following any of the tips I have mentioned earlier. Do you see any emotion? And now listen to this other following those steps. This is an example voice following the tips I have mentioned earlier. Do you see any emotion now? Oh wow, I can hear it. I hope you too. If not, I will be fired. You hear the difference? We are reaching the end of the video, and as I promised you, now I will reveal how to get credits that will allow you to use VideoTok for free. The first thing you need to do is go to www.videotok.app. At the bottom right, you will see the chat icon. Then you just need to click and send this message in the chat. Free credits how to make viral animated anime video. By entering this phrase, VideoTok support will guide you to enable your credits for free. That's all. Have fun and monetize your videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to learn more tricks and create better videos. Let's make history together.